first thing I did was I backed out this screw and this screw. They were these little black ones. And then I came in with a slightly longer screw and attached the hanging tabs. They're going to turn left and right like this. And on the back, there's an opening so that that fits perfectly in. And you just kind of, all you gotta do is pinch it like that. Ta-da, and it's on. And it's really strong. It's not going anywhere. Before I hang this one, I have a wall here, so I went ahead and put the end cap on first. And since I want this is going to be a single curtain, I want the curtain to slide this way, so I don't need the hanger over here. This is the hanger, and this is the clip. I mean the glider. This is what slides back and forth. For this specific design, I went ahead and made a single curtain with pleats, and I used these pleat hooks that I got off of Amazon along with the IKEA header tape. I also found some extra off of Amazon, so I modified some curtains. I took out the stitching from the original. There was no header tape at all. It was just for a rod to go through, and instead I went with this stuff because this is awesome. In the future, if they want to change it and they don't want the pleats anymore, they can. And they want to put a rod up or something instead, or they want to use these curtains somewhere else. They have the option to do whatever they want with this header tape. So the first one gets a glider with a hanger at the very end. So we're going to slide that guy in first. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gliders. And I'm just going to drop them right in. Make sure you get all the way up to the top. Otherwise it'll slip right out of the glider. And then on the last one, the hanger's on the end cap, so we're going to back this off the wall for a second. Otherwise we're not going to get this end cap on. Come off. There we go. Slide our end cap on. And we can hang it back down. Tighten our end cap in place. And then we can attach our end piece. Da, 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 da. Here is our new curtain. And I'll slide back to here. And we'll create some cute little tie back. So instead of 2 small curtains, which would only have gotten 2 pleats and an opening, 2 pleats, you have a much fuller curtain. Hope you like.